Welcome to ABB, the industry's leading manufacturer of electrical power transformers. It's absolutely critical for us to provide the safest workplace possible for our employees, contractors, and visitors. To ensure your time here is safe, let's begin by reviewing our policies and facilities. Each day, you will be given a visitor's badge to wear at all times. Smoking is permitted only in designated outdoor locations. To enter the manufacturing facility, ANSI-approved safety eyewear with side shields is required and will be provided if needed. If your visit requires you to be in any area other than the aisles, steel-toe shoes or toe protection will be required. If you do not have protective shoes, ABB provides toe caps which your escort will obtain for you. All photography must be pre-approved. In the case of an emergency, please evacuate through the nearest exit and meet in the employee parking lot across the roadway beside the plant. In the production area, there are several obvious safety concerns you will notice, such as crane operations, high-voltage testing areas, and sharp metal objects. There are other hazards which are not so obvious. This is why we ask that you stay in the blue designated walk areas and with your guide at all times. If you are contracted to do specific work in the plant, you will receive additional personal protective equipment and safety instruction per our contract employee safety plan. We will require our contractors to be properly insured and follow all the ABB safety requirements outlined in our contractor's safety package. Obey the floor markings designating the no entry zone, marked with caution yellow and danger red paint. Confined space areas are labeled and entry is not allowed by unauthorized persons. You will find several forms of material moving equipment such as forklifts, high bay cherry pickers, and cranes. Our operators are trained to use caution, but many of the items transported are large, extremely heavy, and may obstruct the view of the operator. Please do not touch any crane controls. Since most of the materials used here are metallic, there are dangers from sharp edges or corners. Parts may also protrude from some of the products. As in any manufacturing area, trip hazards exist, such as conduit, conveyors, and pits. Welding is conducted throughout the plant. For your safety, be aware that the intense light from a welding arc can severely damage your eyes. Even peripheral vision can pick up this intense light. So remember to look away. Also remember not to touch anything in these areas, since there will certainly be very hot objects such as metals, welding rods or wires, and fixtures. There are various types of dip varnishes, resins, paints, and casting materials which are part of the manufacturing process. Exposure to chemicals is controlled in these areas, and personal protective equipment is required while working in them. Do not enter any light curtain testing area. This area is to be entered only by ABB authorized personnel. Teamwork is important to providing a safe place to work. Our plant motto is stay alert, don't get hurt. It takes us all to make safety a priority, and that includes you too. We trust this overview has been helpful, and we're counting on your help. Thanks. Have a pleasant visit, and please come again.